maybe your top 3 or top 5, kind of like big picture, reasons for the delta, right, between obviously the Bitcoin holdings and the valuation, and the things that come to mind for me, obviously besides the Bitcoin holdings would be, a monopoly on the marketplace of the commodity of Bitcoin, the digital commodity. So they have a monopoly on a marketplace. And a marketplace, you have to be able to put a valuation on a marketplace because, like you guys have talked about a lot on shows I watch, just the amount of volume and the amount of speculation, just all the options, everything that's going on around MicroStrategy, it's becoming like its own marketplace. So they have a monopoly on that. But then obviously it goes well beyond that, right? With potential, digital bank of the future, or whatever you want to call whatever these visions Michael Saylor has. So there's multiple things there, but I'm wondering what you guys would rank as your kind of top 3. I mean, some of them might be more short-term, some of them might be more long-term, but there's specific big picture things I think that would justify that delta. But I'd like to know you guys maybe top 3 or top 5 if you guys want to share that, because I think that'd be interesting.
Go ahead, Ryan.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, here's the one. You only need one. You're either going to get it or you're not going to get it. I mean, we've laid out the case. We talk about like the major catalysts in near term, medium term, long term. You're either going to understand that there is a monster reflexive trend here between both Bitcoin and MicroStrategy. The software business is good enough, not great, good enough to be well entrenched across thousands of customers globally and every type of customer imaginable: private companies, public companies, governments, universities, departments of defense, hospitals, you name it. MicroStrategy one's probably there in some capacity. Like we've potentially got so many forced buyers at any price. And again, people have the absolute nerve to keep coming back to this idea of premium. Where were all the smart money analysts when I was posting and asking Mark Harvey, like, wow, this almost seems crazy. Like, MicroStrategy's market cap is below the value of its Bitcoin holdings, meaning the software business is not only free, it's a negative value. If God forbid I throw a 1x price to book on there, then the software business is negative value. Not a single other person was talking about this stuff. Nobody.
It's so crazy to look back and to see that the charts, because I've gone back and looked at it now in retrospect. I wasn't paying enough attention, but man, to see it trade below book value, like that's just crazy. Like what an opportunity that was.